Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to upload file to Google Drive. So if you want to upload file to your Google Drive, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is make sure you log onto your Google Drive account. So you can see, so let's confirm if you are actually logged in. Just click on the sign on button, then the name or the name icon over here represents or signify if you are logged in. Then if you are very sure that you log in, then click on the new plus icon at the left top corner. Then from there, tap on file upload, and this will take you down to your file storage, which is your local storage on your PC. So from here you can simply choose any file you want to upload. So I'm just gonna scroll down to my download folder. Then right here I want to upload this file to my Google Drive. So I'll just select the file that I want to upload. So click on open, and this will take about a few seconds for this to, you can see it right here, one uploaded complete. So one upload complete. So for me to be able to view this particular file, you just have to click on it. So to be able to no review, so if I want to review this, I have to make use of one of this, which is not a problem. Now this shows that one file has been added to my Google Drive. So that's how you can simply upload file to your Google Drive. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.